Hey guys, welcome to our next auction property here at 30 Avalon Drive, Rosebud. On a large block set amongst the trees, it's the perfect home for a new or growing family.
It certainly is, Jordan. Currently it's a 2-bedroom, but with the layout that's available and some minor renovations, you can turn it into a 4, making this first home your forever home. Let's go and take a look.
Well guys, thanks for having a look at the home. The potential is uncapped and limited only by your imagination.
It certainly is, and the position of the block in the hills where it is makes it a wonderful spot for families and only 5 minutes from the beach in the town centre. We're going to be open every Saturday and we have an auction on October the 13th. We'll see you then.